Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to make your Windows taskbar fully transparent. As you can see in my Windows, this is a great tweak for if you like to customize your PC like me. That way you can match your taskbar with a specific Windows look you are trying to give to your PC. So wait no further, be sure to subscribe for more content like this and stay connected. For this tweak you will need a program called Classic Shell to be downloaded and installed on your PC. I'll show you how to get that. So let's open the program called Classic Shell and go to its start menu settings. Here you will see a lot of customization options for your start menu, taskbar and Windows Explorer. Using this tool you can make your Windows more featureful and easy to use. Since this video is for transparency of your taskbar, I'm going to show you just that in this video. So from here go to taskbar tab and check the option customize taskbar and choose transparent from below and then make the taskbar opacity to 0 and save and exit. Now you have a completely transparent taskbar. Now to get the program Classic Shell, go to your browser and go to Classic Shell website. I will put that in the description. Now from here you can download it, and also note this program is no longer in active development. That means you will not get any future update from them, but you can use it to get your job done. Additionally, it is also said that this project also picked up by volunteers on GitHub, and you will find more information about that in here, along with many tutorials and other if you need. Anyway, hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next.